What if canceling visas has nothing to do with generosity or tourism? What if Zambia and Ghana didn't open borders for visitors, but for power? This decision is not emotional. It is strategic. It is economic. It is about power inside Africa. And it reveals where the continent is heading next. Why this matters now. Who wins and who loses. Africa is the least mobile continent for its own people. Visas cost Africans time, money, and opportunity. Open movement unlocks trade, skills, and unity. Closed borders protect systems, not citizens. Countries that open early gain influence and leverage. Those that hesitate fall behind quietly. This is a race, not a trend. Zambia and Ghana reduced visa barriers for Africans. Officially, it's about cooperation and integration. But the real engine is economic positioning. They want African entrepreneurs, traders, and professionals. They want African money circulating inside Africa. This directly aligns with AfCFTA ambitions. No free trade works without free movement. Example, a Nigerian tech founder entering Ghana visa-free builds faster than one stuck at an embassy for weeks. Here's what most people miss. Visa bans don't stop migration. They redirect it out of Africa. When Africans can't move inside Africa, they leave the continent. Europe and North America gain skilled Africans. Africa loses its builders. Open borders are not risky. They are a retention strategy. Zambia and Ghana didn't cancel visas for applause. They did it to position themselves early. Africa cannot integrate on paper alone. Unity must move on roads, flights, and borders. Open borders won't solve everything, but closed borders guarantee stagnation. So the real question is, should Africa integrate now or keep waiting? Progress follows movement. Fear builds walls. Vision builds bridges. Economic power grows where people move freely. Borders should protect nations, not imprison opportunity. Unity begins with access, not speeches. Those who open first shape the rules. And history always rewards bold integrators. Africa, this is the moment to think beyond tribe, border, and language. The work now is knowledge, discipline, and cooperation, not noise. Move with purpose, build across borders, and support African systems. Choose unity over rivalry, strategy over anger, and patience over shortcuts. Africa will rise one step at a time, not by force, but by wisdom. If you agree with this path, hit the like button. And subscribe if you believe reclaiming Africa's heritage starts with us.